Hello friends, today here's in this full video we will show iOS 14 download and install option is not showing on iPhone. So what to do next? Now watch this full video to learn whole process. Firstly we have made sure that iPhone is connected to strong Wi-Fi network. Now let's begin. First of all open the settings app on your iPhone. Here scrolling down to below and tap on General. In General you will need to tap on Software Update. Here you will see iOS 14's new update. So as I said, here I got iOS 14's new update. But you can see that I haven't downloaded an install option because of there is not enough space in iPhone. It requires at least 4 GB of available storage during installation. So now we'll go to Settings app. Here scrolling down to below and tap on General. In General scrolling down and tap on iPhone Storage. Now from here I am deleting unwanted files, so I will get more storage on my iPhone to install iOS 14. Here you can see that photos have lot of space storage. So now we'll go to Photos and delete unwanted documents. Here I am finding unnecessary files to delete it. So first select the simply just follow the steps. After deleting it, go to iPhone storage. Here you can see that still storage is not available. So now go to another app to delete another items. Here go to Files and delete big files which used more space. So now here finding unwanted big files and then delete it. Finding all unwanted big files and then delete it. After deleting this, go to Settings app. Simply tap on Settings app and then go to iPhone storage. Here you can see that still storage is not available. Now you have made sure that you will need to delete albums from recently deleted on Photos. So now go to Photos and tap on Recently Deleted. Now from here you will need to delete all items so that you will get more storage on iPhone. Now again we'll go to iPhone storage. Now here refresh it and you can see that more storage is available. So now we'll go back to General Settings. Now tap on Software Update. Now we will get download and install option for iOS 14's update. And now here you can see that I got download and install option. So now tap on it to download and install iOS 14. At last here some instructions that you will need to read it, like iOS terms and conditions. So that's all. I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any problem, then write in comment section. Before you go, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.